The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Do not miss this episode because we will be discussing XRP, my friends, since it is a power play. That chart is mine to keep. As we said in the previous video, we will also address the once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity. For those who have listened to the first video, we will discuss an XRP chart again today. And we will complete the entire task in only 8 minutes. Alright, then, let's go right in. Cryptocurrency $64,516. The current value is 1%. I felt like I was losing steam over the last day. The weekend, though, is a time of relaxation and leisure. On the other hand, in theory, and 3486, everything will alter in the coming weeks. Both the USDT and USDC are now arriving at the dollar pegs, precisely where you desire them to be, at a rate of 3%. What about XRP, though? Half a penny remains. The current percentage is 3%. Just now, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies reached a staggering $2,362 billion. Whenever we discuss market forces like supply and demand here, the number of times we're near, keep in mind that there are only 21 million XRP accessible for public trading, as said in the first video. So, you're familiar with the concept of supply and demand. A fixed supply and demand are two sides of the same coin. As soon as supply begins to run out and demand begins to outstrip it, prices begin to rise. Yes, it is that easy. There aren't many calculations as fundamental as this one. Take a look at any other cryptocurrency with a smaller total supply that is currently in circulation. As demand increases, how do you think pricing will react? Hey, Greg, we gave you the RSI chart, and when they start to rise, that's when we'll announce it. If an asset reaches its oversold point, it means it is about to run out of steam. Its upward trajectory is congruent with the one that XRP is rapidly nearing. According to Mr. Zoom, this Ethereum is quite pricey. Slow and pricey is Bitcoin. It continues malfunctioning, Solana. How can this be resolved? We are aware that the answer is directly applicable. And the XRP ledger has always been the answer, folks, for those who would deny the existence of XRP only to claim it as a bank coin without really protesting. Bitcoin is receiving funds that are not being held in a bank. For some reason, the only story that banks have going against us is XRP, but I'm not complaining when they say they will utilize Bitcoin. It's okay for their asset. You put in the time and effort, and Bitcoin magazine published it, and then they just printed it. Bitcoin resolves this. Just what is he referring to? Listen up, folks, we get what he's saying. How can they just print anything? Monetary value. Without a doubt, get it printed whenever they need it. This completes the monetary production and printing process. Which is absolutely mind-boggling, so watch it if you haven't already. Crazy as it seems, the Federal Reserve prints it whenever they need it. Next, we'll go into how XRP might devour the $27 quarterly hammer candlepin, which, according to market gurus, could drive prices higher. So, here's the chart. Hey, check out this range over here. Between $8 and $27. In conjunction with it. I don't know the crucial number, but this 100% may happen as a full cycle. For a long time now, I've been recommending quinoa to you. In this case, what is the critical figure that we want to close before year's end? As our closing price rises by 75 cents, increasing our altitude within certain target zones, I told you we were closing above $10, and my dream for 2025 is to see XRP in the double digits. I am inviting all of you to the most spectacular celebration ever planned for us XRP holders, and I guarantee it will be the most unforgettable event you have ever attended. The grandest party. Hey everyone, how about we go ahead and do it? XRP is a strategy for the future. In the SEC versus Ripple Labs case, XRP increased in value by a factor of 12 to 13 from cycle low to cycle high, demonstrating resiliency. For many years, the 40 to 50 cent range has been a strong support for XRP. I have been steadily increasing my holdings in XRP with the intention of capitalizing on them in the future, rather than viewing them as a short-term investment like these other coins that are floating around. Guess what? If you're after some fast cash, you should avoid XRP. No, I don't think you'll like it. I have been involved in that long-term power play since 2017. I am telling you this right now because time is of the essence. Now, if we still have time before we get to that final item, allow me to provide you with a once-in-a-lifetime purchasing opportunity, $6 after 7 years. This is a buy like you've never seen before. I make this purchase every Monday. Put this one aside, quant, it's not worth your time. I've been telling you that for at least 3 months, if not 4. It will immediately return above 100 when it moves. You have the opportunity to make a quick buck, cash out, and reinvest those funds. The video concludes with that. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Muchas gracias, depart.